Hello everyone, welcome to Academy YouTube channel, and here we talk about today RS subject wise weightage 2023 based on the previous year exam dates. So as you all know that exam dates will be announced soon, as it is pretended that exam may be conducted on the September last week or October first week. So it is not a fixed date, and it is just a rumor. So but it is expected to be held, right? So do prepare accordingly, not as a student but being as a keep in mind in terms of the September last week. Okay, so here we talk about the exam trends based on the different subjects. Okay, so have a look. So here this chart is basically more focused on the subject based on the last year trends. If I talk about the 2020 paper, then Indian geography questions, number of questions are 12. If I talk about history, there is 9 question. If I talk about the economy and government schemes, then it is 15 question. Indian polity is only 11 question. General science is 17 questions, and current affairs 23 questions. Maths and reasoning 20 questions, and Rajasthan specific is 43 questions. So if you see, only economy section can be considered as moderate to difficult. For what? In respect of the government schemes, because major government schemes are asked from Rajasthan. So if you guys more focused on Rajasthan current affairs, then it will be very good, because in Rajasthan RS examination, out of, you know that there is a 150 questions, right? And approximately 100 questions are directly or indirectly from Rajasthan itself. So if you guys want to score a very good marks, then you have to be more focused on Rajasthan. So you have to do Rajasthan geography, Rajasthan history and art and culture, Rajasthan economy in terms of, there is always a question in terms of industry, in terms of minerals, okay, in terms of economic survey, budget. These core areas, sex ratios, these core areas are definitely going to be asked in the RX, each and every year of the RX examinations. And if I am talking about the geography part, then climate conditions, okay, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पासिस थ्रू, ये बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, बिकॉज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर passes through Rajasthan from only one district, that is called Banswara district. Okay, so these type of questions going to be asked. Climate, okay, geographical features like longitude, latitude, these are the basic facts. इसके लिए कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ना. These are the basic facts. Longitude क्या है, latitude क्या है, सर टोटल एरिया कितनी है, ओके, एंड वो सभी चीज़ें हम डिस्कस करेंगे अभी नेक्स्ट कमिंग वीडियोज़ में. ओके, व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द राजस्थान पार्ट, ओके, राजस्थान जी के पार्ट, देन इंट्रोडक्शन चैप्टर में हमें वो पढ़ना है, एंड वो मैं पढ़ाऊँगा. सो उसके लिए सोचना नहीं है, बट आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो कि विच एस्पेक्ट्स आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस, यहाँ पे हर चीज़ बताना पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि ये बहुत लंबी वीडियो बन जाएगी इसके लिए। तो वॉट एवर, जब वेन एवर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट्स ज्योग्राफी और इधर आर्ट एंड कल्चर, हिस्ट्री, इकोनॉमी, ओके, पॉलिटी, साइंस, then we are talking about each and every aspects, and I am damn sure none of the questions going to be asked outside the context of our lectures. I am damn sure about it. So keep viewing these lectures and come on, move forward. See, there is a very important thing, maths. There is 20 questions, right? And these 20 question is something fixed. If you have good command on maths और reasoning part, then आपके 20 क्वेश्चन कहीं नहीं जा रहे, आपके 20 क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल सही होंगे। अगर आपका अच्छा नहीं है सी सेट पे सेक्शन, then you have to do practice. Practice is very more and more important. And as already told you, Rajasthan specifics, agar if I talk about this, there is a 43. Why 43 is here? Because the question related to geography, related to art and culture, history, economy, schemes, either they are in general form but have Rajasthan reference. Okay, but if you are talking stick to Rajasthan, then only a 43 question. That's why here I mentioned 43 questions. So, and there is one more important subject, that is science. Why science? Many students may ask me that, sir, can I do only biology? No, only biology cannot score you good marks. You have to do with the physics and chemistry, because last year there is a 17 question, but approximately 20 questions is going to be asked in each and every year of the Rpsc exam. So you have to very good command on general science, history, geography, current affairs and Rajasthan history. These 4 sections is very important. As you see, there is a question, then 12 question from the Rajasthan, geography, 9 question from the history, okay, 23 questions from the current affairs, 43 questions from the Rajasthan specific, right? So this is a 21 program. If I talk you about the previous one, just like 2013, 2016, 2018, you see here 30 plus questions. You see here geography approximately, right? See here economics, and here we also add schemes. Then it all go to approach 20 questions. Science last year is going to be asked extra questions, but it is always important in each and every examination. Either you do UPSC, either any other state PCS, science is very important. Okay, and environment question is also going to be asked, but these environment questions are mostly related with the geographical aspects. So either if you are going to read environment, the factual part must be read with the geography part, because it is totally related with this. If I talk about the polity, it is very much important topic. Okay, and see, if I talk about the history means medieval history, modern history and art and culture, ancient history. So if you see, there is question more than 20 plus. So I mean to say if you good command in history, if you have good command in geography, if you have good command in polity, if you have good command on current, if you have good command on science, then either such other subjects you are prepared or not, you will be crack free. आपके दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स पहले भी उतने अच्छे प्रिपेयर हो या ना हो, बट इफ यू हैव वेरी गुड कमांड ऑन दिस 1 2 3 4 5 units, then no one can stop you to crack pre. Pre is in your hand. It is my challenge, but you have to do best of it. See here, I show you 20 questions approx. Here again 20 questions approx. Polity again 15 question approx. Current affair, as you see here, 30 30 30, and last year also, right, 30. Science again 10 to 15 questions. Okay, just count it out: 20 20 40 40 30, how much, 70, and just count this one, not 10. Okay, so 15 15 30, 70 30 is equal to 100. As I already told you in the beginning, out of 150 questions, 100 questions are from the 5 topics. So why to get worried about such? And in this, if you have very good not, I have best, not best, if you have lump sum good in maths, आप अच्छे से सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि हाँ आप IITN की तरफ सॉल्व करो, चाहे किसी महान आर्यभट्ट की तरह सॉल्व करो, बट हाँ, अगर आपका कुछ भी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस है, अगर आपका अच्छा कमांड है, आप क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर पाते हो, सो इट इज़ गुड इनफ. सो 100 प्लस 20 is 120, and rest 30 questions, you know, these 30 questions is basically related to the general awareness, which is not related to Rajasthan. So why we work on more on these 30? I see many friends work on these more 30, where the question but asking what here and related to a specific to what, Rajasthan. So why we go for this 30? As you, many of your friends have very good have already attempted RPSC or UPSC examinations, so they have very good command. If you are a beginner, then when you going to read this aspect, राजस्थान एस्पेक्ट, अगर आप पॉलिटी में सपोज आप राज्यसभा पढ़ रहे हो, तो राज्यसभा आप उसके आर्टिकल्स पढ़े होंगे, राज्यसभा की मॉड्यूल पढ़े होंगे, क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है, क्या रेजोल्यूशंस है, क्या फीचर्स हैं. हाँ, वही चीज़ यहाँ भी पूछी जाती है. यहाँ पे कुछ 30 मार्क हाँ नहीं पूछी जाती, कुछ हाइट ऑफ लैंग्वेज नहीं पूछी जाती, कोई वास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं पूछा जाता. हियर इज टू द फैक्ट, नॉट अबाउट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द राज्यसभा, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन जनरल फॉर्म. सो दीज आर वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. सो वाई टू गेट more focused on this? Why not to get more focus on 100 part? I mean to say this. So just mentioned here, you have to do focus on what? Current affairs, History where comprises what? Ancient art and culture, medieval and modern, but specific to what? Rajasthan. Okay. If I talk about geography, then it always also goes to Rajasthan. If I talk about polity, then Rajasthan plus Indian Parliament okay. If I talk about science, biology is always on the top, but keep in mind physics plus chemistry. Some basic and interesting facts, important facts, what are physics and chemistry. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई केमिकल इक्वेशंस या इक्वेशंस फिजिकल इक्वेशंस नहीं सोल्व करने हैं, यहाँ पे कोई इंटीग्रेशन डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं पढ़ा रहा है आपको, ओके ना वो पूछे जा रहे हैं, बट आपको कुछ चीज़ें बेसिक्स याद रखने हैं, जस्ट लाइक लेंस, मिरर, ओके, लाइटिंग इफेक्ट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से रिलेटेड, दीज आर गोइंग टू बी आस्क्ड. केमिस्ट्री में आपसे पूछा जा सकता है लाइक what to say, like I just forget, like yes, कभी कभी केमिकल नेम भी पूछा है, एक दो बार, ज़्यादा नहीं, लेकिन ये है कि आपको याद होना चाहिए. उसके अलावा कंपाउंड सेक्शन से भी पूछा गया है, कुछ बेसिक फैक्ट्स जैसे सॉल्वेंट सॉल्यूशंस, इनसे भी पूछा गया है, ओके. उसके अलावा ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस जो हैं यहाँ से इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री से पूछी जाती है, बिकॉज ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में हमारे इक्विलिब्रियम एंड केमिकल रिएक्शंस के बारे में पढ़ना होता है, एंड फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में हमें न्यूमेरिकल्स के बारे में पढ़ना होता है, बट इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में हमें ओवरऑल केमिस्ट्रीज के कोर कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ने होते हैं. सो इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड चीज़ें हम सबसे ज़्यादा पूछी जाती है. सो दीज आर द एस्पेक्ट्स. बायोलॉजी में आपको विटामिन से पूछा जा सकता है, वायरस पूछा जा सकता है, ओके, एंड आपको सेल सिस्टम से पूछा जा सकता है, कभी कभी ब्लड ग्रुप से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चंस न्यूट्रेंट टॉपिक से भी होते हैं, लाइक एनी मेडिसिन्स और एनी साइंटिफिक नेम्स, ओके, जस्ट लाइक स्टेट बर्ड के साइंटिफिक नेम क्या है, स्टेट एनिमल का साइंटिफिक नेम क्या है. सो दीज क्वेश्चन भी कैन बी आस्क्ड ऑल्सो. सो आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट come on the next slide. Here is maybe a question maybe on your mind, so I just whatever the question put in front of me by the aspirants, I just put some of it here. So first question is like, how is this analysis will help in Rpsc Ras prelims examination 2020. So I already told you prioritize the topic with the high weightage first. So मैंने आपको प्रायोरिटाइज बता दिया है कि कौन सी 5 सेक्शंस आपको प्रायोरिटाइज करनी है, ओके. एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज which subject should be more focused and study first for the Rpsc exam 2023 exams. So already mentioned here, ऊपर की ही बात है, जो मैंने ऊपर की क्वेश्चन है उसी से रिलेटेड है. पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी, करंट अफेयर्स. इकोनॉमी में मेजर फोकस आपको करना है सर्वे, बजट, पॉपुलेशन, सेक्स रेशियो, इंडस्ट्रीज, minerals, but all related to what? Rajasthan. Okay, next topic is which topic cover the highest weightage in RS examination 2023. So as you all know that current affairs and Rajasthan general knowledge already told you, and either these all subjects are what? Rajasthan related, more focus. So here current affairs and Rajasthan general knowledge, which comprises polity, economy, current affairs, geography, art and culture. Okay, so this topic already told you how these 5 topics touches 100 questions. Okay, so this 100 question will give you result in pre-examinations. I am with you, I am here. If any doubt, if any query, कुछ भी चीज़ें हैं, कोई भी डाउट है, आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हो, अदर टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप हमें बता सकते हो. ओके, सो here just I want to mention you that, just a second, let's share this video, and I know that because I know sharing is caring. So, and you can follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and Telegram channel. So that's all for today, and the next video is going to be start with the Rajasthan introduction part. So keep updated and do subscribe ताकि आपको नोटिफिकेशन रीच हो जाए जैसे ही कोई नया वीडियो डले. एंड इकोनॉमिक सर्वे की भी वीडियोस डल रही हैं, so you also go look to the economic survey videos. That is very good video. And tata, bye bye, see you, ghani khamba. Okay, bye, take care.